The Martyrdom of Dr. Jose Rizal, the light and sound presentation. This must-see attraction is the site of an event venue called Bulwain and Ngkatatan. His poem Miles Ultimo Adios, engraved in a black granite wall, can also be found here. This is the exact spot where Rizal was executed on December 30, 1896. A storyteller is provided so tourists can understand the story more and can ask questions afterwards. The best time to visit here is at night so you can appreciate more the beauty of the lights.